Hello everyone, Makeup and Beauty channel में आपका स्वागत है. So in today's video I am going to talk about MAC Cosmetics. So we all know that MAC Rubiou is one of the most hottest selling red lipstick all from MAC Cosmetics. I remember when I just started my blogging days, people goes gaga over MAC Rubiou. It was one of the most hottest selling red lipstick that suits across all complexion, and it was also matte in texture, and that's why it is one of the reason that people love this, because it gives a very beautiful velvety matte kind of look on our lips. I really like MAC Rubiou, and let me tell you very honestly, the first lipstick I bought from MAC Cosmetics was Rubiou. After that many brands came and they have launched almost like same kind of shade like MAC Rubiou, but let me tell you very honestly, MAC Rubiou is still my favorite. So when MAC Cosmetics just launched MAC Ruby Screw, I was damn sure that I have to get all of them, and that's why I just thought to grab all the 4 lipstick from MAC Ruby Screw. So let me first show you all the 4 lipstick. So these are the 4 lipstick that has been launched by MAC Cosmetics, although MAC Rubiou is the old one in the new packaging, and the rest 3 are new launch all from MAC Cosmetics. So MAC already have their Rubiou lipstick in their retro matte range, and let me show you first the regular range of Rubiou. So this is MAC Cosmetics retro matte lipstick Rubiou, and this is their normal packaging, and this is the regular packaging of MAC Rubiou. Let me show you the lipstick. So this is how the regular packaging look like. This is their regular packaging, and this one is from MAC Ruby Screw. You can see both the shade are same. There is nothing difference except the packaging. As you can see, the packaging of both the lipsticks are same, but Ruby New, which is a powder kiss lipstick, is little bit having the matte kind of packaging, whereas Rubiou is little bit on the glossier side of packaging. Now if you look both the shade, you can see there is a slight difference in the shade. It is just because of the finish that each lipstick have. Otherwise, whenever you are applying this lipstick, these lipsticks are the exact version of Rubiou. This one is the matte lipstick which look little bit darker, whereas this one is the powder kiss that look little bit on the brown tone side. But both of these lipstick when applied on my lips, they look almost same, although the finish of both lipstick makes a little bit different in the application and also at the end result on my lips, but both of them are from the MAC Ruby Screw. Now moving on to the price point. The price of Rubiou is rupees 1750. The price of Ruby New, which is a powder kiss lipstick, is priced rupees 1850. The price of Ruby Boo, which is a powder kiss liquid lipstick, is rupees 2450. The price of retro matte liquid lipstick Ruby Few is rupees 2350. Both Ruby Boo and Ruby Few, the liquid lipsticks from MAC Ruby Screw, have 5 ml of product each. So yes, I am really happy that I grab all the 4 from MAC Ruby Screw. Let me tell you very honestly, if you ask me which one is favorite among the 4, then let me tell you, I really like MAC Rubiou, the retro matte bullet lipstick. And now that MAC has launched their retro matte liquid lipstick, which is named as Ruby Few, that also I am wearing right now. This is one of my favorite red lipstick. If you know Fenty Beauty brand, then you must know that they have one shade, famous red shade, which and Ruby Few look like almost same like that uncensored from Fenty Beauty. So yes, over in all, I really like all of them. Let me tell you, the powder kiss lipstick, both the bullet and the liquid one, stays like 4 hours max to max, but if you pat it with a tissue paper or use it as a tint, definitely going to stays like 5 to 6 hours on your lips with a very much of fading, because powder kiss lipstick are balm like textures. They hardly stays on my lips if I eat or drink anything. They are not transfer proof. Moving on to the MAC Rubiou. MAC Rubiou retro matte lipstick, we all know, is a retro matte, which means it is little bit on the drier side texture, and that's why people who have dry lips, they don't prefer to use MAC Rubiou. So for them, they can try out that powder kiss version of Ruby Screw. As I am a matte lover, so I love MAC Retro Matte Bullet Lipstick Ruby Woo, but now that MAC has launched Retro Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is named as Ruby Woo, that is exactly the liquid version of MAC Retro Matte Ruby Woo, I am definitely going to change my favorite from MAC Retro Matte Bullet Lipstick to this liquid lipstick because I really like this liquid lipstick. Moreover, MAC matte liquid lipsticks are one of the best formula liquid lipsticks till now. I love to use them on my brides because they stays like 7 to 8 hours and they are non-drying on your lips, but they are definitely matte on your lips. So yes, that is all about the new launch all from MAC Cosmetics, and that is MAC Ruby Screw. Now it's time for the swatches where I'm going to show you swatches of all the 4 lipstick, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.
Of all these dreams I can't remember, no I can't tell. I lost my mind in December, I hope you're well.
now is the exciting part of this video. Along with this video, I decided to give one MAC Rubio lipstick and one Maybelline Colossal mascara to one of my lucky subscriber from this channel. So all you have to do, you just have to follow me on my social media, and also you have to subscribe to my this channel. Like this video, share this video with your friends so that they come and support me, my work, and all the rules and regulation I have already mentioned in the description box below. So do check them thoroughly before you participate in this giveaway. And yes, before I end up this video, I just want to share you that I just decided to give MAC Rubio along with one mascara, because I just feel like with the red lips you just need mascaras for your lashes and you are good to go. So yes, these are the two products that I decided to give to one of my lucky subscriber. So yes, good luck everyone. Do participate and support my channel. Bye.